I want to start a raised bed, but would like to get it though 34 inches high.
I'd like to get your thoughts on 34 inches high beds. The amount of soil is one issue. I'm 60, and I know in several years I may not want to be tending beds on my knees.
So there's nothing wrong with that if you're going to utilize if you're going to manufacture or custom build a raised bed of that height, that you're going to incorporate a lot of soil that's going to be needed to fill that 34 inches high by 4 foot wide by 8 foot long. There's a lot of soil that's going to be needed. So in order to stretch the amount of soil, what you want to find is logs that are like dried logs that trees have been fallen and been cut. Throw them in the bottom, and then twigs, sticks, whatever you got, and then top off the bed with the needed soil. Those logs, as they break down, will absorb moisture and then release that moisture into the soil as the soil requires it. So there is going to be a time where you're going to have to top off that bed with more compost or potting soil or raised bed mix, whatever. But thinking ahead, investing in that, okay, I know that I want to do this in a couple of years, but as the joke is, you know how you're getting older, right?
Yes.
When you fall down, if your friend, if they stop laughing and they ask, "Are you okay?" You know you crest a level of age that is no longer hilarious when you take a tumble.
I knew that. That's funny. Yeah.
So yeah, that's good, and that's a good outlook on life. Okay, I want to do this now, and I know that in X amount of time, I'm going to be probably in a different situation physically, so I'm going to invest in do it once, do it big, so I can continue to do this and not be sidelined because of the height of the raised bed. All right.
Absolutely. I totally agree with that. And even if you were maybe not 60, even if you were a little bit younger, this is practical to think about, especially if you plan to be in that home, that space for another 20.
Well, if you're using non-treated lumber and you coat it with internal wood stabilizer and that will last for years.
Right.
Right. And TimberProCoatingsUSA.com has the internal wood stabilizer, which it protects the wood from the inside out. Raised beds, chicken coops, decks, porches, whatever, balconies, whatever you need to do.